So we are still on State Highway 27, which is Kundapur to Agumbe, and I wanted to record this stretch. Just look at the landscape. Camera में थोड़ा light आ रहा है. The color tone in the mobile camera is a little on the lighter side. However, the trees that you are seeing are more green, a little on the darker side, but it's beyond describing by taking help of words. No vocab, I would say, is enough to describe the beauty right now that we are witnessing. It's 24 degrees outside. It's 13:45 p.m., almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and just look at the weather. It's been drizzling over the last 20 minutes or so, but ज़्यादा परेशानी नहीं हो रही है ड्राइविंग, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश भी नहीं हो रही है. बिकॉज ऑन दीज रोड्स, नैरो स्टेट हाईवेज, heavy excessive rainfall might get a little difficult if you are driving because visibility becomes very low. और ये जो लेवल का रेनफॉल है, आई थिंक दिस इज आइडियल टू एंजॉय बोथ योर ड्राइव as well as the nature around you. that's all for now, and I'll record another clip if I find something even more interesting. I hope you all liked this drive and this video. Please do comment about your experience while you were driving in such heavy rains. Bye, take care, and I will again come back with a new video.